So you want to change a shipping address on Amazon after ordering already, and you think that ordering on Amazon that you have a fixed shipping address, where that's not the case. You can actually change your shipping address on Amazon even after ordering your package. So let me show you how to do this. So first of all, what you'll need to do is log in into your Amazon account and go to returns and orders. From here, if it's not too late, you can view or edit order or view order details. As you can see, just go view or edit order, and here from here, you can basically go and change your shipping address. Now, from the change your shipping address, you can find the address you'd like to ship to, click ship to this address. As you can see, you will have a list of addresses, and then just confirm your credit card information and billing address. Once that's taken care of, your shipping information will be updated. Now, as you can see, you cannot alter your shipping details via the Amazon app, so you will need to actually go in there on your computer. Now, also one thing to note is that whenever an order is already shipped, then you cannot change the shipping address. If it's too late, it's too late, right? You won't be able to change your shipping address on Amazon after ordering and after order has been shipped. But you will be able to change it after ordering and order has not been shipped yet. So hopefully this helps you out. If you want to see more videos on our channel, definitely check out our channel and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching.